What's up, guys? Welcome back to Healthy Recipe. We're going to be making a delicious dandelion protein loaded salad today. It's going to be totally delicious. I'm really excited about trying dandelions. They're considered pretty much a weed, and you can grow them with no effort pretty much in your yard. So I really was excited to give them a try. We're going to load it up with protein. It's going to be absolutely delicious. So let's get right to work. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and the notification bell so every time we upload a new video you get notified for brand new healthy recipes. Alright, so let's go over the ingredients that we're using in this salad. I have here some alfalfa sprouts. These are from Whole Foods. I have 1 cup of minced firm tofu or diced. I have 1 organic beet, and I just cut it into small tiny pieces about the same size as the tofu, but 1/4 inch squares. About a 1/2 cup of diced sweet peppers. Fresh peppercorns. 1 can of organic 365 brand chickpeas, or any organic chickpeas that you like to use. Apple cider vinegar for the dressing, and this is with Mother organic. 1 red onion diced. I'll be using about 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and this is the star of the show that I'm really excited about using in a salad is organic dandelion. And this is actually pretty much a weed, and you can grow it in your backyard pretty effortlessly. I bought it because I wanted to taste it first before I commit to growing it in my garden. But I tasted it already, and it tastes kind of like romaine lettuce with a bit more of a strong taste. You can get, like, if you were eating a really strong tasting romaine lettuce leaf, this is how that kind of tastes. Like a romaine lettuce leaf with a lot of taste, like amplified. So it's a little bit bitter, but not bad at all. I'm also using sea salt, and that's basically all the ingredients we're going to use. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and cut up our dandelion. So this is pretty much what the leaves of the dandelion look like. They have like these things on them, and then they also get these yellow flowers that later turn into these little white looking flowers that you could blow them off. You guys have probably seen them around. They're pretty much considered to be like a pest in people's gardens, but if they grow easy and they're loaded with nutrients, I'm interested if I can make them palatable. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to just cut them like this, just like if it was romaine lettuce, but a 1/2 inch. And the arteries on these, like these ribs, are soft, so I'm going to use them, and they don't have a strong bitter taste. So I'm going to just keep them in the recipe. Probably these ends right here I will probably just use for my stock. Use them in for my vegetable stock. So out of that bag, I got a good amount of it. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to get everything combined in a bowl and set it up for you guys, show you, and give it a taste. Alright guys, so I have my dandelions here in a bowl. I'm going to go ahead and add the chickpeas, and like I said, the good thing about this salad is that it's loaded with protein. So if you're looking to get protein on your vegan diet, or if you're worried about not getting enough protein in one of these meals, you know, this is loaded. So really tasty ingredients. I added the beets in there to kind of counter the bitterness of the dandelion, and I'm also adding the sweet peppers for the same reason. I'm gonna go ahead, get our bean sprouts in there, and these bean sprouts are growing in water. I mean, these alfalfa sprouts. All right, so I'm gonna add about half of the package. I'm not gonna add the whole thing because it seems like it's an awful lot. And I love alfalfa sprouts. If you guys have never had them, I highly recommend them. I could actually eat them just like that without adding anything into them. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and add in about 1 tablespoon of olive oil. About 3 tablespoons apple cider vinegar. A pinch of sea salt. Fresh cracked peppercorns. All right, I'm gonna go ahead, give this a good toss. Oh, look at all that color. I love it. Amazing, beautiful colors. Guess the only thing we were lacking was red. But I am happy with the way it is right now. Looks beautiful, and there's a lot of ingredients. I don't want to get crazy. So that's pretty much all set. We're gonna go ahead and serve it and give it a taste and see how it came out. All right, guys, so there it is. It's completely done. Look at this beautiful looking recipe. I am really happy with all these colors and the way they came out in the end. I was a little concerned about the sprouts and them not looking that great, but it came out great. This will add a nice little crunch to the salad also, and the beets add a nice dark color to it also. And I love the way it looks. I love how nice it really came out. So I hope you guys enjoyed the recipe. Remember to subscribe if you haven't already. Give us a thumbs up if you liked it, and I'll see you really soon on the next one. All right, so I'm gonna dig right into this beautiful salad. There's nothing like the refreshing taste of some crunchy salad. To me, I love the flavor. It's nice and crunchy. It's crisp. It's got the vinegar. It's got the zestiness of the apple cider vinegar in it. The cracked pepper comes right through. The chickpeas add some nice texture. Also some meatiness. The tofu is nice and soft and meaty. It absorbed a lot of the zestiness of the vinegar. It's really flavorful. The sprouts are super crunchy. The beets are sweet. The peppers, really nicely balanced. Wow. Can you guys tell I just love salads? Really, really delicious recipe.